Hey guys, it's SOUNDCLOUD, and today I'm gonna be setting up a drum set here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to record some drums. I got here a little studio setup here with my computer, so I'm gonna be using this Behringer interface right here to input my condenser microphone as well as some dynamic microphones. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little time lapse. I'll set this up, and once everything is set up, I am going to explain what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and the process here as well while I record and do everything. So let's get into the time lapse. So we got the drum kit all set up. As you can see, we got our mics routed. I'm gonna explain the mics now real quick what I'm doing. I've already tested and did a pre-run here on FL Studio with my mics running into the interface. So if you guys wanna listen to how this sounds, starting to sound pretty interesting. So what I'm doing here is I have 3 microphones, and I have one here in the front recording that nice little punch because I don't have a hole in my bass drum, so I put it as close as I could get it. And then I have 2 other mics here, and the front one is a dynamic microphone as well as this one here, which is also a dynamic microphone really close here to the skin of the bass drum. And I have here this condenser microphone, which is a bit more sensitive, so I'm just recording those different takes so I can choose and pick whatever I want to use here. And what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm basically just going to be recording each individual drum section. So I'm just gonna record the kick, and then I'm gonna record the snare because I want to record the snare, some cymbals because I need some cymbals here in my drum library, and then I'm gonna record the toms, and I'm gonna be moving the microphone every time I'm recording something new so that I can have different samples of each part of the drums. I got here a little tambourine to do some really cool things with that, as well as a little triangle over here. So yeah, this is how it's all set up. And then on FL Studio here, if you guys want to see that real quick, I have each individual track routed to a separate channel. So I'm recording everything individually on mono, so everything is mono. And I'm recording everything there into tracks, which is here, as you can see, it was a test run for the kick because I wanted to sort of get the levels right. It's still clipping even though I have this at the lowest possible volume. The dynamic microphones, I think I can lower them a bit more, maybe set them on pad so they're all evenly distributed. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys another time lapse here of me just recording the drums, and then I will be making another video explaining the processing. So that's how I mic'd up the kick drum. I'll show you in a minute how I mic'd up the snare and how I'm gonna mic up the cymbals. So I'm just gonna leave you guys in another time lapse. So now I got my cymbal. So what I did here is that I added this mic, this Shure mic under the cymbal. I got this condenser mic overhead, and then I got this nice little other mic here. I might experiment and move this microphone farther to grab more ambience. Let's see how that goes. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna hit some drums here. And record it and see how it sounds here in the DAW. There's a really nice ring that's being recorded. See how that sounds. So to finish my recording session, I have here some strange experiments here with the tambourine. I got the mic here parallel to the crash ride symbol. This is actually a ride, crash ride, yeah. And here with the closed hat, so I was recording some experimental here hits. With different distances in the microphone. And for this crash and cymbal setup, what I did is that I have the microphone now farther away, and now that I took the microphone and put it a bit farther, I recorded some more samples here from the drum set with the microphone farther away. So I recorded some more snare shots, some more kick shots. I hit the kick with the drumstick. So I did quite a few things. Now I'm just playing around here with the crashes and cymbals just to create some really unique stuff. But yeah.